Hello! In this video, I will show you our new incident screen. When you open Incident Sifflet, you'll notice that the screen has been redesigned to help you move faster from detection to resolution. At the top, you have everything you need at a glance: the incident status, its severity, and quick actions buttons to update the status, create a Jira ticket, or edit the details. The Overview tab gives you the full picture. On the left, you will find the incident description, in-depth details, and Sage root cause analysis. On the right, a detailed sidebar shows you the failing monitor counts, impacted datasets, and a live activity feed where you and your team can leave comments and track every event. The Monitors tab is where you manage the failing monitors directly. You can see each monitor type, severity, and failure timeline, and expand any monitor to inspect its anomaly data points, all without leaving the incident. You can also take actions to qualify the monitors, or move the monitors to a new incident or existing incidents. The Downstream Impacts tab shows you which downstream dashboards are at risk. And the Lineage tab gives you the full pipeline to trace the root cause upstream and see the impact downstreams. Finally, the Notifications tab shows you the channels that are being notified for the incident. When you're ready to close the incident, you now have three options: fixed, no action needed, or false positive. Choosing no action needed or false positive will automatically qualify the impacted data points for you. And you can choose to add a closing comment that gets attached to both the activity feed and those qualifications. And that's the new incident screen, built to give you the context you need right where you need it.